Hello, good afternoon everyone. Good evening or good morning wherever you are, saan man sulok ng mundo. I hope na nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan lahat. And first of all, we're thankful to our God, Almighty above all, that I am healthy and safe. Thanks God for taking care of me and to my whole family and all of us guys. Yeah. And I hope you are okay too. And happy blessed Sunday, everyone, especially to my whole family, my relatives, to my loyal supporters, subscribers, friends. Thank you so much for supporting Rose de Melon. Actually, I received bad news from the Philippines sa aking kababata. Si Avelino Wakit was my childhood. And he passed away yesterday. So, napakalungkot na balita guys kasi kababata ko siya nung elementary kami. We grown up both and middle of jungle place in Casibon, Nueva Vizcaya. That time, jungle place, not yet city, but now is city. And we are calling now Little Baguio. And very condolence to his family. Adi, saan ka man naroon ngayon? Rest in peace, hindi na tayo nagkita. Last time we chat na nagkikita pa tayo sa Cebu as a friend. He was my childhood friend actually. During my younger age, and we both elementary in the middle of jungle place in Casibon, Nueva Vizcaya. At the age, I think I was 10 years old that time, but still remember. And he was 11 years old. We are best friend when we were young. Best friend kami nung mga elementary kami. Rest in peace, Adi. Sana masaya ka na sa heaven. Alam ko na mabait ka. At nagampanan mo na ang tungkulin mo dito sa lupa kasi isa kang humble, kind na pastor. Naging pastor siya, guys. And gusto ko magpasalamat sa'yo nung mga elementary tayo, naalala ko pa. Yung sugar cane, ano ba yung Tagalog ng sugar cane? Ang Ilocano ay unas. Lagi niya akong dinadalhan, elementary kami. Never forget that. Kasi maraming sugar cane sa Cebu that time because that jungle place that time. Wala pang mga sasakyan, wala pang electric that time. Yeah. Condolence sa family mo. And alam ko, masaya ka na sa bahay ni Lord. Rest in peace, Abby. God bless us all. Rose the Melod Black.